There are a few different ways you can add music to your Canva websites, but I'm going to show you a super simple step-by-step that will let your visitors play any music you choose to add to your designs. I already have a little pre-designed save the date situation going on here. And what I want to do is for the visitors to be able to click on the iPod, which would let them play the couple's favorite song. On our left menu, I will scroll down until I find Apps and search for an embed app. Next, I want you to go to YouTube, find your song, click share and copy the link. Now, all we need to do is paste the link into our web link window here under the embed app and add it to our design. Then make sure to place the video above the button or wherever you want people to click and make the video transparent. So when we go to preview our digital save the date and click on the iPad, the video will still start playing even if it's transparent. And you're all ready to publish your site with an interactive music feature. I hope this was helpful, but if you have any questions, drop them down in the comments. And if you're new here, hi, I'm Anna. I'm the brand and web designer behind Studio Bressi. And on this channel, I share easy to follow design tips alongside with Squarespace and Canva tutorials to help you feel more confident and creative as you bring your designs to life. Thank you for watching and happy creating.